Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Supabase Auth with React-based builders, detailed guide step by step clearly. To install Supabase Auth with React-based builders, begin by creating a new React project using your preferred method. Open your terminal and run the command npx create react app myapp. Navigate into your project directory by typing cd myapp. Next, install the Supabase client library by executing npm install at supabase/supabase.js. Once the installation completes, create a Supabase account at supabase.com if you haven't done so already. After signing in, create a new project within your Supabase dashboard. Once your project is set up, retrieve your project's URL and anon key from the project settings. Now, in your React project, create a new file for Supabase configuration, for instance, supabaseclient.js. Import the createClient function from Supabase by adding import createClient from at supabase/supabase.js. Use the URL and anon key to initialize the Supabase client by adding const supabase URL equals your underscore supabase underscore URL, and then declare the client by adding const supabase equals createClient, supabase URL, supabase anon key. Now, create a new component for authentication, for example, author.js. In author.js, import React and useState from React. Set up state variables for email and password using const email set email equals useState and const password set password equals useState. Next, define a function to handle a user signup by calling supabase.auth.signup with the email and password. Add a similar function for user sign-in using supabase.auth.signin. Within your component's return statement, create a simple form with input fields for email and password. Link the input fields to their respective state variables by setting value equals email and value equals password. Make sure to bind the input fields to their handlers using onChange equals e equals set email e.target.value and onChange equals e equals set password e.target.value. Also, include buttons for signing up and signing in that trigger the respective functions. Import and use the auth component in your app.js file. Finally, run your application by executing npm start in the terminal. Now, test your authentication functionalities by entering an email and password in the form and observing results in the Supabase dashboard. This process will give you a basic authentication system integrated with Supabase in your React application. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.